Good morning. Hi guys. So
right there you look.
Do you know what today is? It's our anniversary. Our anniversary. Hey, yay. Yes guys, today is our anniversary, June 27th. 19 long years. Yes, I know I look like 19, but hey.
Me too.
Yeah, we look like so 19, cute. But
I look like 16 plus.
It's been 19 years since we walked down the aisle. Can you believe it? Why am I ugly up myself?
May I pose?
Yeah. Yeah, so we're just out and about. I mean,
I don't know where I'm going.
We're getting older, but we can't.
No, I'm not getting older. I'm getting younger, longer.
Alright, we're younger, longer. So yeah, I organized a little something because we work hard. We both do work hard, and so we just want to, spend some quality time together and, get ourselves recharged. And so I planned
continue on State Route 820 West for 6 3/4 miles. Then you will arrive at your destination on the right.
Okay.
These Dykes roads?
No. I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're just gonna spend a day at the spa. And yes, I'm super excited for our couple's spa day. He's not excited because tell us something.
Guys, I'm just I'm uncomfortable.
Yeah.
I'm uncomfortable. to
I'm not like people exploring personal spaces.
Yeah, Yeah.
But it's you've done it before, so you already know what time it is.
Yeah, but it's like, it feels intrusive, to have somebody all up on me, you know what I mean?
You need to be a girl. You need to get waxed, and then you will see violation.
I need to be a girl. But you are
all my ladies, let him know that they don't know violation yet. As a woman, you feel so violated for so many different procedures that you have to go through.
Data uno.
Gynecologists, you feel violated. Waxing, you feel violated. Oh my gosh.
Wax?
Wax.
Me nah wax nothing.
Okay.
Triangle alone have wax. Remember that. But wax. You mean when them put this up and go rip?
Rip, yes.
You're mad, man. Me like the outcome of it.
But trust me, you don't want to do that.
But for reals though, so she says spa, so spa. But I know like spa, me not have spa mind, me not have spa body. Me not cute for spa.
The spa rooms are pretty dark, so you don't need to.
Wow.
Nobody
that's
now watch
quite an assurance. Them now see it, then just I feel this slab. Like they be there feel. Say, oh, we're going over this hill that I'm bellying up. No, I'm highly younger. I'm into body shaming and them something. So it's like I feel like the people. I'm like trying to think what they're saying, are thinking in their minds.
They don't have time for that. Then they will be doing that every single day. This is their job. So
yeah, but then some of them sit up on the road, I sit up on the stage and say, "Me know him, him belly big."
Okay, so what does that have to do with you?
I guess, yeah.
Them don't know you know.
But the most important thing is the whole time where we spend, 19 years. I'm not getting no trouble, In 19 years, I'm not getting no trouble. Me a good boy, you understand? Hey, I tell you, when I think about it, yeah, I feel so proud.
Let's just say everybody gives trouble, but
I don't give no trouble.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I can honestly say that
the trouble has been
the level of trouble is
1.
Maybe about a 3.
What?
Yes.
Wow.
So which is not bad.
And that was, you can chalk that up to youthful exuberance.
Yeah, I'm the young, so
And cute.
excuse him. I'm the
Young and cute. Remember the
young
cute?
and restless.
Wow.
But yeah,
I was young and cute.
but my plan for the day is that we're going to be adventurous. I don't have a very adventurous husband. He likes everything calculated. But we're just gonna wing the day. I already made sure my son.
Why get wings? What?
That can't happen too.
No, you say what wing? What?
Yeah.
So I buy wings?
No. Yeah, but we're just gonna try to have fun. Hopefully we can show you a little bit of what the spa looks like. I don't know what their restrictions are.
My fun
But
is
a modern time now, so
my fun is to cook a pot.
No, not gonna happen to them. Why this young lady don't stop down right now? Soon call her back.
Oh boy.
Yeah, so anyway, we will talk to you in a bit.
You know that we're going to the same place, right?
It's not the same place. Oh, you mean the same area?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, it's on the right. Yes, so big up on yourself. I don't know it's an anniversary spa date and blase.
And we've been married for 19 years, but we've been together for 26 years.
29 years.
26 years. From
Let me tell you,
91.
what happened is that, so before we officially been together, she didn't look me.
Not true.
And I just hold her off about 2 years. Because she me the cute.
Not true.
Me I say,
He used to seek me out every party, every fete,
oh
every
please.
barbecue.
She does, let me tell you,
Even
she
before we were
searched.
interested in each other,
She
we always
searched
end up
out.
dancing with each other. I don't know why. He could dance. So I guess that's why I was just
She searched me out in the crowd.
entertaining.
And then one night time, she did try to set me up on her girlfriend.
I don't remember that. You keep saying that. I don't remember
Of
that.
course.
Nope.
You did try to set me up on one of your girlfriend. And then it's like she, in her mind she said, but hold on, me an idiot.
First of all, I couldn't have done that, but I'll explain why off camera. That didn't make no sense. Yeah, I say.
You know? And then we just start hang out, and it's like, to me, she was more she became more my type than the other people that were around her and thing. And we start end up a link up and laugh after people. You know, so we have that trait though. We still laugh after people all these years. We have this uncanny sense of humor where nobody don't know what we laugh about, but we just a crack up. We're just cracking up between us. You know, I think that's why I stay so young and look so fresh and cute, because I like to laugh. Laughing is a medicine.
On another note, you know, so I cut my hair a lot and him don't realize. Boy, am I telling you. That's one thing you need to be more observant about me.
But me know you
I
look
cut off
cute
my
all the
hair
time.
yesterday, like real bad.
Serious?
Yep.
But if you do it like that, it's when nobody don't know.
And anyway, my hand hurts, so later.
We're headed to Massage Green Spa, and this is located in Pembroke Pines. Yeah, and I just wanted to do a nice promo for you guys.
Hello. Hi, Massage Green.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Wonderful. May I help you?
Well, it's my anniversary, and we're supposed to be doing a massage.
Okay.
And I just wanted to, you know, check out the place.
Absolutely. Would you like to know the prices, and then maybe I can give you a tour?
Well, the prices, yeah, later, but the tour would be nice.
Wonderful.
What do you offer, though? What exactly
We
do you
actually have
offer?
massages. We have couples massages as well. We have facials, and we actually have an infrared therapy session.
Oh, cool. Wow. And you have packages that, you know, persons can get all these services together or
Absolutely.
individually?
Yep, we sure do.
Okay,
We have
really?
enhancements such as hot stones, we have sugar foot scrubs, we have aromatherapy. Our infrared session, which is our sauna, is based on infrared lights, which are the lights that they put on the babies when they're born. And they have different settings. They have weight loss, they have relaxation, detoxification, cardiovascular.
Oh, wow.
Usually start everyone off at detox since you're going to get a massage. And this is something you can do prior to your massage or after your massage. And the sessions are anywhere between 30 to 45 minutes.
Oh, wow. And it's much different from the hot rocks and stuff like with that steam thing and everything.
This you just feel a nice warmth and it's relaxing. And if you're experiencing like muscle pains and aches, it's something that would be nice to do prior to your massage because it kind of reduces the swelling.
Okay.
And then when you do your massage, it's nice and calm. Now, if you're not experiencing any deep pain, then it's nice to do your massage first and then go in there like as a finishing touch.
Wow. Okay. Thank you guys very much. We appreciate it. All right, so let's get that tour on. We're gonna get a quick tour. So beautiful. Lead the way.
So this right here is our Yardie suite.
Wow.
Rose petals, waterfall, fireplace.
Wow, it's so cool. And that music is like part of the therapy, I guess.
Of course, you'll fall asleep.
Yep. Wow, really nice.
And this one here is our regular rooms, our single rooms right here.
Wow, and even the single rooms are pretty nice. Sweet, nice.
Sweet, that's what they ordered.
And this is the standard couples room.
Correct.
Wow. It's still nice. It's so nice.
Yeah, it's just missing the waterfall.
Yeah.
Correct. And the rose petals and stuff.
Sweet. Nice. Like it.
You know,
I can show you one of the facial rooms.
We're good.
Right. And then this right here is one of our facial rooms that we have.
Okay, and this is the facial room. Nice. And you notice the facial room just seems almost like it's medical, you know, but it still has that.
We have microdermabrasion, we have oxygen facials, vitamin C pills, mask. We have it all.
Wow. I'm definitely gonna get the
couples facial room too?
We actually don't have couples facials because the that you see the big old machines that have to be in separate rooms.
So she can wait. I'll go first. Wow, thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow. And the sauna room, we just passed that room where the sauna is.
Yes. I can show you.
Really nice.
This one here is for infrared therapy. It's
Infrared sauna. Wow, you see the lights up there? Yep. Real nice.
chrome lighting.
Okay, thank you so much.
Welcome.
We'll definitely be maximizing
Absolutely.
our efforts here. Appreciate it. Thanks. This is our massage room. See how beautiful. The fireplace. And just awesome. And they have different rooms. Single massage here. Yes, I showed the rose petal. This is the sauna room. We just mess it up, so don't worry about it. Yep. Sauna girl.
It's the first time sauner. It's very, very, very relaxing.
Saunerific.
I'm not a sweater, and I really appreciate the sweatation that's taking place right now. Very detoxifying, very relaxing.
The sauna fitted though. You look very, very sonorous.
Sonorific.
Yes.
Sonacious.
Yes. You look so sonacious right now. Show me.
I can't find you really. Oh.
Medea, man, Medea. Well, I'm gonna cover my boobs.
For the sun, huh?
I'm gonna cover my boobs.
So, what was your experience like?
Me I sweat like pig. But I think it's nice. It's nice when regular people do some irregular things. You know what I mean? Get out and experience something. Yes, I'm a regular-ish. You know, you work hard and stuff, and not for the time our body sacrifice feet. So it's always good, you know. I like the sauna. I like how the sauna make it look very alluring and very romantical. You understand? So them force you in another corner there, you can't sit down. Yeah, so folks, we time almost up in our sauna, so yeah. Yeah guys, we are officially saunaed out. Promise you. How does it feel?
Very hot and warm. My kind of temperature.
It's an infrared sauna. Yeah? Infrared sauna, and let me tell them say it is good for a bunch of stuff. Weight loss, relaxation, pain relief, blood pressure reduction, improved circulation, skin purification. I need the skin something.
I need the blood pressure reduced.
Because my skin is not a pretty skin. And it's infrared versus traditional. Our saunas are infrared heat instead of hot rocks or steam used in traditional saunas. Traditional sauna heat the air at extremely high temperatures, which can make the experience unbearably hot and difficult to breathe, because infrared heats the body directly instead of simply heating the hair. Infrared saunas are 7 times more effective for detoxification. In our saunas, you will experience the deepest, most detoxifying sweat of your life. Right now, I'm very detoxified. Yeah, sweat? Right now, I'm very detoxified. I feel very saunerific. Yes. And this is, what's this place called again?
Massage Green.
Massage Green. Yeah, and there was a little mix up with the booking. We got here late and there was some other little issues, but I think after we explained things and we had a little bit of deliberation, they have been very accommodative. We only got half an hour worth of massage, but it was a great massage. Was it a great massage?
I loved it.
Trust me.
Compared to the other one.
Trust me, to the other place that we've been to.
This is top of the
line.
line.
Yeah. You feel rejuvenated, and then they also added the a little bit of aromatherapy, and they added the sauna experience.
And they upgraded the room to a luxury.
Yeah, well, the room was nice. You know, the room was nice, and yeah, we're comfortable. Well, as much as you can be in a sauna, you know, but.
And we get to watch Netflix.
But them say don't touch it something.
What?
That's said don't touch it. I have 39 minutes left in here.
Why shouldn't we don't touch it?
It said do not touch the setting. You know, hear them say, not trouble them thing.
She said to watch Netflix.
Well, I ain't watching nothing. I'm sure the media outlets, yeah. That's the media something. But you know what? I'm appreciative, yeah. When we mentioned that we were 19 years together, like, the lady was
did
like,
a double take, like,
she's like, and your husband is so young.
Oh, she never says so. Lie.
She's like, you really agree with you, or you agree with him. You know, I'm just so young and nice. Yeah. So we in the sauna. We're not really spending more time with the talking. You understand? Right now we're getting to the saunerific aspect of the program. Thank you. Thank you. we're just done with massage and with spa treatment.
Yes.
It was awesome. I promise you guys. I remember just showing her again. See, massage green. Yes, right there.
It sounds so organic.
Yes, it was very organic and riboflavin. You know, I feel actually coming out back in the sun after going through the sauna and getting that deep massage, you feel a little bit lighter. I don't know about you. Maybe it's a trick. Maybe my mind is playing tricks on me.
I feel lighter, like
but
I'm floating.
yeah, it feels really good, you know. And see how she look cute? That's the massage. The massage has cutened her up. Yes. Hey, that's what the thing said. You have to do what you have to do. Remember, Mama tell you.